left turn here. And your first right turn. Oh, they put the bollards back up. Straight ahead. They weren't there yesterday, or this morning actually, come to think of it. It's going to be fun for like the really brand spanking new drivers. We're going to make a left turn here on their road tests.
Yeah.
And we head back into the road test center again. This time we'll just do the forward parking because you did the parallel parking. And they don't get you back in if you do the parallel parking. Anywhere, whichever.